We are going to make this right here. Create a new sketch. We're going to use a circle. Okay, we'll finish that. We'll extrude it by 2 millimeters. All right. Then we're going to create a sketch on top of this. Another circle. And this is going to be 10.75 because that's what I measured. There. Now we extrude the outside only, 20 millimeters. So now you got this cylinder shape with basically a shell. Now, sketch. Hold on there. Now what we're gonna do is create a circle, like somewhere right about in the middle of this square, and I'm gonna go right to the outside edge. Okay, you could use the offset, but I don't want to figure out the math, so I'm just going to do another circle, and this is going to be 12. That's going to make our ring to hang this thing. So now we'll extrude, and if you don't know, you can extrude both ways, 4 millimeters. There, getting there. We're almost there. Now I want to fillet this top. Enters there, side one, and the outside one. Let's try 1 millimeter. One looks pretty good. And we'll do 1. Let's try 2. What's 2 look like? 2 looks pretty good. And there you have it. We'll just color that. Give it a and blue. There you go. That's how you make that little spoon hanger thingamajig. Tell me what you think in the comments. And thanks again for watching.